Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Ahrefs SEO toolbar integration easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin uninstalling the Ahrefs SEO toolbar integration, first, locate your web browser. Open the browser where the Ahrefs toolbar is installed. For Google Chrome, click on the three vertical dots in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select More Tools. Next, click on Extensions to view all installed extensions. Look for the Ahrefs SEO toolbar in the list. Once you find it, click on the Remove button. A confirmation box will appear. Click Remove again to confirm the uninstallation. For Firefox users, click on the three horizontal lines in the upper right corner. Select Add-ons and Themes from the menu. In the Add-ons Manager, choose Extensions from the left-hand side. Find the Ahrefs SEO toolbar in the list of extensions. Click on the three dots next to it. Select Remove from the options presented. Confirm the action when prompted. For Microsoft Edge, again click on the three horizontal dots in the upper right corner. Choose Extensions from the menu. Locate the Ahrefs SEO toolbar in your list of extensions. Click the Remove button next to it. Confirm the removal in the pop-up window that appears. After uninstallation, restart your browser to complete the process. Verify that the Ahrefs SEO toolbar is no longer present in your browser. Congratulations, you have successfully uninstalled the Ahrefs SEO toolbar integration. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.